Alrighty, so Billy Miller here with us. Unfortunately, just fell to Austin Marsden of Oklahoma State by a major decision. But as you had said before, after your victory against Jared Johnson, was that the privilege was being here, and you've obviously lived up to that with qualifying for tomorrow's matches. So just once again, just go through what your mind was going through with this match.
Well, I mean, he's the 5th seed. I'm not saying that he's destined to beat me, but I don't like the way that I went out there and wrestled. You know, I've gotten pinned, I've gotten everything, but I've never been major, you know, and it hurts. It hurts a lot. But, you know, that just shows me what I have to do during the offseason to get better. I'm going to spend all summer just working out, and I'll be right back here next year, you know, doing the same exact thing.
So do you think, like, from a tournament standpoint, this year's tournament, do you think the worst is behind you?
Yeah, I'd say so. I mean, it's my first loss at the NCAA tournament, you know. I mean, at least I'll know how it feels, and I know it sucks right now. I just don't want to have this feeling ever again, you know. So I'm going to work as hard as I possibly can to not have this happen.
Are there going to be some things on your mind while you go to sleep tonight in preparation for tomorrow?
Yeah, just thinking about, did I train hard enough? And I know that I train hard, but I got to take it to a whole nother level. These guys are tough. I got to get tougher. That's just plain and simple.
All right, any final thoughts before you go to bed tonight?
No, just, you know, wake up tomorrow, positive attitude, put this behind me, and just wrestle again, you know.
All right, very good. Best of luck to you tomorrow. We'll see you.